One of the most common questions that we get asked is if they can take a photo of the actual ads playing on a billboard. There are a few pointers and tips that you can implement to ensure that you can take a photo of the actual ad playing on a billboard. First things first, ensure that the ad is actually playing live and it's delivering ads. The second thing is to ensure that the boards that you're looking at is currently showing as available. I'm keen on taking photo of this particular billboard. If I look at the availability, it says that it hasn't been heard from in the last 6 hours. Let's very likely that if you go to that particular board, you're not going to be able to take a photo of that ad playing on that particular board. Let's assume that this is available at this point. Second thing to look at is the schedule. Is it scheduled to play at the time that you're going to be there in front of that board? If it is not, then add a schedule to your campaign. Once you've done that, save the changes and head to the performance. If you click on the performance, you'll be able to see if there are ads being delivered to that particular board that you're looking at. Hit that today to ensure that you're only seeing today's results, to ensure that it's playing currently. The other thing to do is when you are in front of that board, increase your hourly pacing. This increases your chance of ad plays. If you increase, say, for example, and if the cost of an ad is about $2, you're trying to get about 100 ads during that hour. If there are 50 slots available during that hour, you're likely to get about 50 ads. So that increases your chance of taking a photo of that particular board. Once you've taken your photo, you can drop this back to auto so that it can pace the way it was pacing before.